just went behind the moon and made it back alive. For the first time in over 50 years, a crew has traveled deeper into space than ever before, and tonight they're finally home. NASA's Artemis II mission has successfully ended with a dramatic splashdown in the Pacific Ocean, marking a historic return from a journey around the far side of the moon. On board the Orion spacecraft were NASA astronauts Reid Wiseman, Victor Glover, and Christina Koch, along with Canadian Space Agency astronaut Jeremy Hansen. Together, they've just completed one of the most ambitious human spaceflight missions of the modern era. Artemis II is the first crewed mission in NASA's Artemis program, designed to return humans to the moon and eventually send astronauts to Mars. During their journey, the crew traveled thousands of kilometers beyond the moon, looping around its far side, the part we never see from Earth. This is often called the dark side of the moon, not because it's always dark, but because it remains hidden from our view. As the spacecraft passed behind the moon, communication with Earth was completely cut off. For several tense minutes, Mission Control had no contact with the crew. It's a moment that highlights just how far and how risky this mission really was. After completing their lunar flyby, crew began their journey back to Earth. Re-entering the atmosphere at speeds exceeding 40,000 kilometers per hour, the Orion capsule endured extreme heat and pressure. Then came the critical moment, parachute deployment. One by one, the parachutes opened, slowing the spacecraft before it made a safe splashdown in the Pacific Ocean. Recovery teams quickly moved in, securing the capsule and preparing to bring the astronauts home. But beyond the technology and the milestones, the most powerful moment came after landing. As the capsule hatch opened, the crew stepped out, back on Earth after days in deep space. Waiting for them, their families. After traveling millions of kilometers, through orbiting the far side of the moon, they were finally reunited with loved ones. There were smiles, tears, and long embraces, moments that remind us that behind every mission like this are real people, real sacrifices, and real emotions. For the astronauts, this wasn't just a mission. It was a journey that took them farther from home than almost anyone in history and brought them back safely. Artemis II is more than just a successful mission. It's a critical step toward the future of human space exploration. The data collected, the systems tested, and the experience gained will all feed into the next phase, Artemis III, where NASA plans to land astronauts on the moon once again. Humanity is officially back in deep space. And if this mission is any sign of what's coming next, the moon is just the beginning.